In this installation video, we'll be connecting thanks.io and monday.com. In order to get started, we of course need to begin with a thanks.io account. If you have not yet already, head over to thanks.io in your web browser, and you'll see a field into which you can enter your email address to create an account. During your account creation process, you'll be prompted about our month-to-month business plan at $49 per month. The business plan is not required to connect Thanks and Monday. However, when it comes to automatically sending birthday cards, thank you cards, gift cards, etc., you'll definitely need to have business plan access in order to automate those mailers. So, with that being said, go ahead and create your account. This will land you onto the thanks.io dashboard. Head over to integrations here on the left-hand side. And near the center of the page, you'll see monday.com. Just click the red connect button. If you're logged into Monday already, you'll instantly see the install thanks.io prompt. Click on the blue install button. And that's all we have to do at this stage. We can now configure our thanks.io account and our Monday account to receive contacts, leads, mail recipients, whatever you want to call them, directly in thanks.io from Monday.